Richard, please, huwag naman po kayo pabigla-bigla ng desisyon. Kung kailan nahanap ko ng perfect ambassador ng lace shoes.
Ang tagal na hinihintay ng lace shoes yung recommendation natin. If you can help the Recom, I consider the Recom from the other unit. Marami-rami na nito.
Sir Chard, I guarantee you, 100% ako sure ako sa model na to. Sir, this girl, everything about her personality perfectly embodies lace shoes. For one, she's beautiful, yet unintimidating. Two, she is delicate, yet fun. And last, she is quirky, yet adorable. Para lang lace shoes, sir. Siya yung gugustuhin mong makasama kahit saan ka man pumunta. And I guarantee you, sir, she will be the right choice for lace shoes.
Eh kung totoong naki-exist siyang babae na yan, sure to me. Then we have a schedule with place. But let me just remind you, that is your last chance.
Yes, sir.
You better do right about this girl.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Eugene, sure ka bang tama ka dyan o tinamaan ka lang? Paano mo nga ba malalaman kung sure ka na sa isang babae? Pag-isipan natin yan during the break. Tutok lang dito sa URL.